Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2016 Chevy Trax LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9445XX. 29,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Orange rock metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You'll also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Trax is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash ready, seats 5, split seats, fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Easy to read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, 4 radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora, Stitcher, and other apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission, manual shift capability, dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Trax has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 31 on the highway. All that with new brakes and new tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.